Hey guys, we're back in my garage. It's Quentin. This is a Liftmaster 1/3 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. Well, maybe my grandma's garage has a craftsman. Okay, now here's the button. There's a button, no lock, no light. There's no lock, no light. And let's open it. If you look over here, there are the cars outside. It's getting dark outside. And then I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. The door squeaks. Yeah. That makes it old. I didn't hear it. Yeah, the squeaking sound sounds quiet. But okay, there's the Liftmaster, the chain drive, and whoa, our garage is junky. What a mess. Well, there's the light on. There's no lock and light. And I'll go to Grandma's house. I'll go to Grandma's house on Saturday and record the video. I mean, I need to go to Grandma's house on Sunday for my video. Okay. Still need a video for YouTube. Check back soon. And subscribe.